Good morning, guys. It's Miss Cannon. This is day 9 of science, which is Thursday, March 26th. I hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm just going to read through this really quickly with you guys and then let you work on it on your own. Here's the vocabulary we have today. It's compound machine, and here's the pronunciation: compound machine, a combination of simple machines used to simplify tasks. Okay, so that's like more than one of the simple machines we've talked about. So maybe a wheel and an axle and a lever together. All right, when two or more simple machines are put together, you get a compound machine. Compound machines can be basic, such as a wheelbarrow, or a can opener, or they can be very complex, such as a car. But even very complicated mechanical tools can be broken down into several simple machines. Without machines, life and work would be much more difficult. Simple and compound machines make our lives better by saving us time and energy. For thousands of years, people have depended on machines. The world would not be the same without them. All right, in this first part, you are going to, in each one of these, you're going to name two simple machines that they are using that we have talked about this week. So you can look back at your old work and look at the different types of simple machines, like a lever, wheel and axle, things like that. And then I want you to try to figure out two parts of this machine that has both. All right, and then the next part, it says complete the analogy. Simple machine is to compound machine as blank is to blank. So the simple machine is the smaller version. So I want you to try to figure out the analogy. What would be the smaller version of the other thing down here? You can't see it. All right, so you're looking for the relationship. That's what analogies are. Okay, so simple machine to a compound machine, we know that's the one machine to many machines, right? So how would that be different down here? All right, well, you guys, if you have any questions with this, please feel free to contact me on Remind 101 or Class Dojo. I will be happy to help everyone. I hope you guys have a great Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh, nope, I won't see you. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.